Welcome to Bickford Ford, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with keyless entry, air conditioning, side airbags, power windows, power outside mirrors, telescoping steering wheel, overhead console, and has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1934, 4 generations of the Bickford family have been providing our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience around. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff who have a passion for providing the highest levels of customer service for all of our guests. We are proud to be an 11-time winner of the Ford President's Award, which recognizes dealers for achieving the highest levels of customer satisfaction. So come see us today at Bickford Ford and experience the best.